வணக்கம். Two-step process to become physically healthy. This two-step process is very essential for one to become physically healthy. One is avoid constipation. Two, avoid indigestion. This two important steps or process is very essential for a man to be physically healthy. First is constipation. Every human being has to clean their bowels before morning 7 o'clock. This is the nature's first law. But because of the wrong sleeping habits, wrong food habits, people today suffer from severe constipation. This constipation is the basic root cause of all the disease man gets. If a bowel is constipated, the harmful gases is produced in the bowels and these gases mix with the blood and the whole body gets lots of diseases. So how to avoid constipation? Very simple methods you can try one by one. Just have good vegetables and fruits in the night time, and you will see there is enough amount of fiber in your food. Because of this fiber content, you will get a free motion in the mornings. And try different methods to avoid constipation. And this is the simplest method. Change your night food or add more vegetables and fruits in your night food what you take. This is the simple technique. And the second is indigestion. Indigestion is the second cause of harmful diseases in the body because the undigested food in your bowels becomes poison. So you have to understand digestion is very important for your health. So you have to sit, prepare yourself before you take the food. So just wash your face, bring your mind to the food. Don't think something else and eat. If you think something else, if your mind is into other things, and if you start eating, your body will not digest it. So make your mind focused on the food and chew the food nicely in your mouth. Then intake the food. So when you practice this kind of alertful eating, the digestion will take place in the right way. So avoid the food taking process by seeing TV or talking or getting diverted thinking about something else. When you start eating, your digestion will not be proper. So work on this too. Avoid constipation, avoid indigestion. Focus on this too. You will be healthy and you will avoid lot of health complications. And this is a simple two-step process. Try it and comment below in the comment box. Thank you.